Kia ora, welcome back to Ramsay Dairies. February is our favourite month. It's warm, it's relaxed, and it's all about making milk. Summer rain has turned the farm a beautiful shade of dark green. And the cows are marching on strongly towards our production targets. February also means herd test number 3 of 4. We only ever want to supply the highest quality of milk from our herd. The cows are currently doing 2.3 kilograms of milk solids per day. It's a month to enjoy, to get all the little jobs done, and to have a break. And a good scratch. February marks the end of summer. So now is the time to set up the farm for the next stage of the season. Autumn. Fertiliser plays an important role in helping to grow the grass we need to feed the herd. Our approach is little and often. We spread as soon as we can after each paddock has been grazed, allowing maximum time for the fertiliser to be utilised by the plant. It can be a rather hot walk to the dairy shed in summer. February is all about routine. Eat, sleep, milk, repeat. And cuddles with our pet cow, number 30. We milk the cows twice a day, all season. Starting at 5 AM and again at 3 PM. At this point, we are a very well-oiled machine. One final but critically important job in February is scanning. This is always a nerve-wracking time. You just never know how mating has truly gone until the final cow has been scanned. However, we are very pleased this year to record an empty rate of 10.5% and a 6-week in-calf rate of 76%. Thanks must go to our awesome AI Tech Justin from CRV. Now it's time to relax. With that, February is behind us and we look forward to March. Hopefully you can join us then. If you've enjoyed this video, then please give us a like, or even better, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Ka kite anō, mā te wā.